Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am super excited to talk about one of my all-time favorite haircuts, the classic bob. In this video, I will be diving deep into what makes the classic bob so iconic and how you can rock it with confidence. So let's get started. The classic bob is a timeless and versatile haircut that never goes out of style. It's characterized by its chin length or slightly longer length and a clean blunt cut. This sleek and chic look has been popular for decades and continues to be a go-to choice for many. The beauty of classic bob is that it suits a wide range of face shapes, whether you have a round, square, oval or heart-shaped face. There is a bob that can flatter your features. It's also a great option for those with straight or slightly wavy hair as it enhances the natural texture. While it's always best to consult a professional hairstylist for the perfect bob, here is a general step-by-step guide. Start by sectioning the hair, then cut it to the desired length, making sure to maintain a blunt line. Gradually layer the hair to add movement and texture. Finish with some precise trimming to refine the shape. One of the best things about the classic bob is its versatility. When it comes to styling, you can keep it sleek and polished with a straightening iron or add some waves for a more relaxed look. Experiment with different partings, accessories with hair clips or headbands. And don't forget to play around with different products to achieve your desired finish. Maintenance and care. To keep your classic bob looking fresh and fabulous, regular maintenance is key. Schedule regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain the shape and prevent split ends. Use a quality shampoo and conditioner suitable for your hair types, and don't forget to protect it from heat damage by using heat protectant spray before styling. And there you have it. Classic bob variations. While the classic bob is usually chin length, there are variations you can try. You can opt for a longer lob, known as the lob, or go for a shorter bob, like the pixie bob. These variations allow you to customize the length to suit your personal style. Face shape considerations. When choosing a classic bob, consider your face shape. If you have a round face, a longer bob can help square face. A longer bob can help elongate your features. For those with a square face, a bob with soft layers can soften the angles. Oval faces can rock any bob style, while heart-shaped faces can benefit from a bob that hits at the chin. Styling tools. To achieve different looks with your classic bob, invest in some styling tools. A flat iron can give you sleek and straight stands, while a curling iron or wand can create loose waves or curls. Don't forget to use heat protectant products to shield your hair from damage. Products recommendations. Enhance your bob with the right products. A volumizing mousse can add body and texture, while a smoothing serum can tame frizz and flyaways. Dry shampoo is a must-have for refreshing your bob between washes, and a hairspray will help hold your desired style in place. Celebrities with classic bob. Take inspiration from celebrities who have rocked the classic bob. Some iconic bob-wearing celebrities include Victoria Beckham, Taylor Swift, and Emma Stone. Look up their hairstyle for ideas on how to style and personalize your bob. Remember, the classic bob is a versatile haircut that can be tailored to your individual preferences. Have fun experimenting with different lengths, style, and products to make it your own. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more hair tips and tutorials. And as always, feel free to leave any comments or questions down below. Until next time, take care and stay blessed.
So I choke you down just like a